Hi, I'm Sarah. In the last video, Wayne imported my xShape design into SOLIDWORKS, and he let me know that he ran into some interferences with the assembly. So I'm going to go back into xShape and make some design changes, and we'll see those changes propagate out into the SOLIDWORKS assembly. Here in the 3D Swim community, I can see that Wayne has tagged me in this post to let me know where the interferences are between my xShape component and his assembly. I'll let him know that I'm going to start working on these changes. I'm going to activate the handle component and then edit the subdivision surface feature to get back into the sub-D modeling environment. To accommodate the internal components and prevent interferences, I want to make the back end of the handle a little bit larger. To do this, I'll select this edge loop and stretch it out along the x-axis. Then I've sped this up to show a couple of other minor adjustments. The next design change I want to make is that I want the front flat face to be angled forward. So I'll go ahead and rotate those vertices and also drag them out to the left a little bit. Then I'll just adjust the underside of the finger grip. I want to make it so that the back end of this handle arcs downward a little bit. So I'm going to use the arc bend tool to accomplish this. The straight line represents the reference to the original horizontal for the model, and then I can click and drag the endpoint of the second arc to bend all of the highlighted vertices. After some final touches and tweaks to this design, I'll go ahead and exit out of the subdivision modeling environment and save the component. That way, Wayne has the most up-to-date version when he reopens his assembly.